Latest whispers circulating in the tech circuit hint that DJI is preparing something rather compelling with the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a powerhouse successor poised to outshine its predecessor, the well-regarded Osmo Pocket 3 vlogging camera. According to multiple leaks and speculative analyses, this next-gen Pocket 4 will arrive with a more compact, refined redesign and a bold new dual-camera setup, enabling creators to shoot from two angles simultaneously, which could be perfect for reaction videos, vlogging experiments, or immersive storytelling footage. That dual-lens architecture may pair a conventional wide-angle lens with a secondary sensor or depth module, perhaps leveraging OmniVision's 50-megapixel sensor, which is small enough to integrate into a pocket-sized enclosure while offering solid imaging performance. The camera's video specs are rumored to deliver 4K at 240 FPS for ultra-smooth slow motion and cinematic capture, with 1080p also hitting up to 240 FPS, an impressive leap from the Osmo Pocket 3's ceiling of 4K at 60 FPS. In effect, the Pocket 4 might stake itself as one of the top handheld vlogging cameras in 2025 or 2026, especially for creators who demand both portability and serious feature sets. In terms of form factor, leaks suggest DJI is prioritizing slimness, lightweight construction, and better ergonomics. The device could be about 116 degrees in weight, be 3.5 mm thinner, 4 mm narrower, and just 5 mm taller, trading off dimensions to yield a more pocket-friendly body. Early mock-ups and purported images show an extra rear sensor or second display, backing the dual-lens theory and hinting at creative modes like picture-in-picture, dual view, or reaction vlog overlays. There is even talk of record from both sides mode, giving you a simultaneous front and rear perspective, brilliant for spontaneous commentary, facecam overlays, or split-screen narrative techniques. These innovations align with speculation from Notebook Check and other sources regarding sensor selection and engineering constraints. All signs point to DJI wanting to differentiate the Pocket 4 from its past generations, to better compete with rival pocket gimbal cameras that GoPro, Canon, Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi are reportedly working on for a 2026 push. Indeed, DJI seems to be turning up the stakes on its Pocket series, no doubt spurred by increasing competition in the vlogging camera niche. As for release timing, the prevailing rumor is that DJI could unveil the Osmo Pocket 4 in the latter half of 2025, perhaps in Q3 or Q4, keeping in line with its historical product cadence. While pricing remains wholly speculative, it's not unreasonable to expect DJI to continue to position it as a premium consumer device, possibly in the same ballpark as prior models but with a slight premium to reflect the upgraded internals and multi-camera design. Meanwhile, DJI appears to be actively discounting stock of the Osmo Pocket 3, almost certainly a strategic move to clear inventory ahead of the new model's launch window. That means prospective vloggers, travelers, and budget-conscious creators may find now an opportune time to scoop up existing DJI hardware deals before the new flagship arrives. In the context of increasing rivalry, with GoPro reportedly exploring gimbal-style stabilization in ever smaller form factors, Canon experimenting with pocket video-centric models, and smartphone makers like Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi rumored to explore gimbal camera hybrids, the pressure is on DJI to deliver something truly next level in the Pocket 4. Beyond raw specs, if the leaks hold true, the Pocket 4's dual-camera architecture could unlock entirely new creative workflows. Imagine recording two perspectives simultaneously, your face and what you're filming, or forward and backward views while walking, ideal for dynamic vlogging, live streaming, or even reaction-style content. A second display might give you better framing control or a preview feed while on the move. Coupled with 4K 240 and 1080 240 recording modes, the Pocket 4 could be tailor-made for creators who love slow-motion transitions, dramatic cinematic B-roll, or hyperlapse sequences. And thanks to the rumored redesign, it may feel more natural in hand, easier to carry on long shoots, and more seamless in portability. Another speculative but enticing possibility is enhanced computational features. The dual lens input could power depth-based effects, auto-framing, subject separation, or even 3D mapping for augmented effects or more intelligent stabilization. DJI has a track record of elevating its camera firmware with features long after launch. So even if the first firmware build is modest, we could see updates that further leverage pair lens capture for portrait-style background separation, smarter autofocus, or improved low-light performance. Of course, if DJI truly pushes the envelope here, they'll have to contend with challenges: heat management for high frame rate 4K 240 capture, battery life in such a tiny chassis, coordinating synchronization between two sensors, and lens alignment calibration, noise control, stabilization algorithms that account for two viewpoints, and seamless switching or overlaying will be technical hurdles. But DJI is no stranger to pushing miniaturization limits with its previous Osmo Pocket and gimbal lines. The rumored features suggest that DJI is engineering the Pocket 4 not just as a spec bump product, but as a reinvention of what a pocket vlogging camera can do in the era of ultra-high frame rates and dual perspective content. From a content creator's vantage point, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a compelling contender for your next solid investment. If it truly offers multi-camera capture, exceptional slow-motion capabilities, a sleeker form factor, and smart software to combine footage in creative ways, it could disrupt the compact camera market. The mere rumors of dual-view features, overlapping reactions, and simultaneous angle capture already spark ideas. Memory vlogs, walk-and-talk commentary, on-the-spot storytelling, all without needing a partner behind the camera or carrying multiple rigs. For any YouTube creator, traveler, or journalist who demands high-end camera features in your pocket, this device might be your new go-to tool. As the rumor mill intensifies, keep an eye out for formal DJI announcements or early hands-on leaks. As soon as we see in-depth sample footage, user impressions, or a teardown, we'll have a clearer sense of how close these claims come to reality. In the meantime, if DJI is discounting the Pocket 3 aggressively, that serves as a strategic signal. They're clearing the stage for something new. And the Osmo Pocket 4 might just be the next vlogging legend in the making.